How to delete Facebook page permanently. So to start, we'll just have to open our browser and then search for facebook.com. After that, simply log into your account. Once logged in, you have to make sure that you have chosen your Facebook page. To do that, we'll have to tap on this profile icon. And then after that, as you can see, I have already chosen my Facebook page. What I need to do now is to tap on this one. And then under Manage Page, we'll have to tap on the Settings option. And then under Settings and Privacy, we'll have to scroll down and look for this option, Your Information. Under here, we'll have to tap on this Access and Control option. After that, you will now see this option, Deactivate Page and then Delete Page. If you only want to deactivate your account temporarily, all you need to do is to select the Deactivate Page option. But if you want to delete your page permanently, what we need to do is to select on this one and then tap on this Continue option. And then after that, before you permanently delete your page, you can download your information or transfer information. You can choose either of this one, and then after that, tap on Continue. And then in here, before we can continue the process, we'll have to input our password. After typing your password, simply tap on this Continue option to completely and permanently delete your page. So that's how easy you can delete Facebook page permanently. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!